Welcome honorable guests, staff, students, and parents. We are so excited to have everyone here to celebrate the Excellence Award ceremony organized by Bangladeshi American parents. Let us welcome our honorable guests with a round of applause on the stage. Among our guests we have Mrs. Angeline Peterson Mayberry, President of the DPSCD Board of Education. She is here and she will be joining us shortly. Dr. Luis Plano, he is on his way and he will be joining us shortly too. Mrs. Georgenia Tate, Assistant Superintendent of the DPSCD. Mr. Randall Coleman, Principal of Davidson Elementary Middle School. Mrs. Aurelia Ramos, Assistant Principal of Davidson Elementary Middle School. After 18 years of working at Davidson, I still get so excited about the 4.2 award celebration. In this program, we not only celebrate our hardworking students, but also their parents, teachers, and all other staff members who contributed to their education. As we know, it takes a village to raise a child. Without further ado, let us welcome the best of Davidson, all our 4.2 students with a round of applause. Now, sixth grade, here's your turn. Congratulations to all our 4.2 students. Now we invite Dr. Hawk for his welcome speech.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. I have always welcome from Bangladeshi parent community to all our guests. Welcome to Mrs. Angelique Peterson Mayberry, the President of the DPSCD. She is here in building in a meeting with Dr. Solano, his hero and Georgina Tate, Assistant Superintendent of DPSCD. Our Principal, Randall Coleman. Welcome to our Assistant Principal, Mr. Ramos. We are grateful to all of you who are attending our program. This 4.0 award ceremony is to recognize our hard-working students, acknowledge their accomplishment, and encourage them for their future education. This program is organized by the Bangladeshi parent community since 2010 at Davidson to all 4.0 students. Congratulations to all 4.0 students of Davidson. Congratulations to all parents of 4.0 students. Please stand up. All the parents of 4.0 students, please stand up. Sometimes I speak in Bengali too, so our parents understand better. History of 4.0 ceremony. We started this awarding program from 2004 in Chelsea. Those who that time high school graduate only. And after that we arranged 3 to 4 times in our community. And from 2010, the DPSCD declared, announced a plan to close the Davidson, replant, white school. Since 2010, we have been arranging this 4.0 program at Davison to promote Davison in the community. The other two schools in the community were closed by 2050 for lack of student count. But Davison student count increased and became the best school in the district. The two recipients of our first program, 2004, they are here. They are Davison staff. One is Abdul Hussain, please stand up. And Manjur Hassan is up here. High school graduate when we started in 2004. They are here. When we started in Davison, we have two recipients here also, and both are medical students. One is Mahmoud Haq, please stand up. Abdul Hussain, please stand up. Now, in this dance of big gathering of parents, teachers, and administrators, I want to share some community achievement of what we are grateful for. Halal lunch. From our community, we attended in a big group in 3 to 4 years board meeting to discuss and convince the board about halal lunch. After a long conversation and discussion, finally halal lunch has been starting for Muslim students in DPSCB from 2004, March 2004. Prayer. DPSCB schools allowing the Muslim students a room to pray. Afternoon prayer week is compulsory. The principal Norton, Hester, Cleveland, Vernon, Davison gave us key for the room and we have started the prayer there. And students are still praying there. We are thankful to all. For Muslim girls in the DPSCB school, Muslim girls are allowed with Islamic dress like hijab and niqab. Girls, culturally and religiously, we are used to sending our girls separately in girls' school. According to our demand, the DPSCB board has to start a separate girls' school in Northern High School. It has been moved to our community, previously known as White School. As far as we know, this is the first girls' public school in America. Translation of documents. For better understanding, all the documents of DPSCB have been translated in 4 major languages from 2006. One of the languages is Bengali. Nowadays, some Bengali translations are not readable, not understandable. We are requesting the administrators to please look into the matter. Bus service. There was bus service only for the special ed students. New immigrant parents, they have no car, no driving license, and it was very difficult to send their kids in the school. After a community demand and request, the bus service for all Davison students started in 2013. The academic games and the big chemist. We support and promote academic games and the big chemist in Davison. Math and science competition. We invite the American Bangladeshi Engineering Association to arrange math and science competition at Davison. Since 2016, it has been happening here every year. So we are thankful and grateful to the DPSCB board and the administrator to fulfilling our community demands and request and hope DPSCB will maintain them. I am asking the parents and the community, are you happy with the DPSCB board?
Yes.
I thank you again for coming, joining and encouraging the meritorious students. At the beginning I said I will say something in Bengali too. আপনারা তো অনেকেই যারা নতুন আসছেন এখানে করা যাবে না, অনেক টিচাররা অনেক নতুন আসতে পারে না। এই স্কুলের বা আমাদের অবস্থা কী ছিল? এই স্কুল when it start in 2004 here only 70 schools. Now we are about 400. এই সমস্ত সুবিধা হওয়ার কারণে আপনাদের বাচ্চারা এখানে আসে আর যদি কমফোর্টেবল ফিল করে। আমরা চাই যেটা আরও বজায় থাকতো এবং এই যেটা প্রোগ্রাম প্রোগ্রাম এটাই কারণে আমরা করছি। দেখেন আপনার কিন্তু দেওয়ার সময় কোনো ডিবেট করছি যে কোন দেশি ভাষা কোন কালচার আমরা দেখি এটা একটা আমাদের একটা অ্যাচিভমেন্ট। আমরা বাংলাদেশ কমিউনিটি তার প্যারেন্টরা করতেছেন অনেক দিন ধরে আমরা চালাই যাবেন এটা। আর বাংলাদেশে বাচ্চাদের জন্য লেখাপড়া কত জরুরি আমরা জানি। আমাদের বাস সার্ভিস না থাকতো যখন নাকি প্রথম আমরা আসছিলাম আমার মেয়ে কি পড়াইতে পারি এভরি উইক 25 করে দেওয়া লাগতো ফর রাইট পুরান করে জানেন। এখন যখন আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আমাদের বাস হয়ে গেছে, হালাল লাঞ্চ হয়েছে, মেয়েরাও যেভাবে ইচ্ছে আসতে পারে, একাডেমিক ডে, তারপরে অল মেয়েদের সাইন্স কম্পিটিশন সব কিছু এখানে আসে। এই জন্য উই আর প্রমোটিং করছি। রাইট, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।